I have tasted the maggot in the mind of the universe. I was not offended, for I knew I had to rise above it all or drown in my own shit. Maggot brain is a state of mind, and then the condition and position of your ass. Free your mind. Free your mind. Free your mind. And your ass will follow. The kingdom of heaven is within. If you will suck my soul, I will lick your funky emotion. All that is good is nasty, and nothing is good unless you play with it. Mr. Blackbird Midnight. Mr. Blackbird Midnight. Mr. Danny Petrosian. Garrett Schneider. Raphael Lewis, Lodge Curry, Benton Cowan, We are here. We are here. We are
Wiggles the Worm, Uncle Jam, the Bangin' Overlord, all that good stuff. But for us, he's our big brother. Everybody give it up to our big brother, Mr. George Clinton, y'all.
That's right. That's right. Woo.
This special show. We will return it to you as soon as you are grooving. Welcome to station WEFUNK. Or deeper still, the Mothership Connection. Home of the extraterrestrial brothers. Dealers of people. Funky music, uncut funk, the bomb. Coming to you from the top of the chocolate Milky Way, 500,000 kilowatts of P-Funk power. Kick back, dig while we do it to you. Lead up.
this jail with